This is Trayboy 567 Productions. I just want to update about AB Trains. Well, and sadly, he's gone off terminated again. Because of the same reason as last time. Now it's happened the second time. Don't know why it happened to him. But sadly, there's no more videos going on. I already enjoyed seeing his Roblox live streams. They're now completely gone. I have no idea what to say. Anyway, rest in peace for AB Trains. 2020 to 2020. Same years again. You'll be missed, AB Trains. I will never forget you. My God bless you. Peace out and slide.